Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today we're gonna unbox Samsung S20. For the first, we're gonna see outside the box how it's look like on every side of our box. Here is the version. This is Cosmic Gray. This is the memory of the phone, serial number, 2 email, and European version. As you see, it's made in Vietnam, no China. Strange. On the front side we have an importer, and on the back we have a single paperwork. So let's get a look inside of our phone. On the upside we have a key to open the SIM card place. Inside we have some paperwork. It's a warranty card, and there is a quick start guide of the instruction to the phone. That's it of the paperwork. Let's take a look on the phone. It looks like brilliant. Very nice color. Wow. It's made in high quality material. It's only glass and metal. Let's take a look at this camera. It looks wonderful. Yeah, it's big and it's good. On the upside we have a mic to calling. This is the SIM card port. On the downside we have a speaker, and we have a USB-C port and a mic. Here we have a power key and 2 volume. Okay, it looks good. Okay, let's go to see inside the box. Here is our charger. This is the fast charger, as I suppose. Yes, super fast charging. This is the specs of this charger. And USB-C connector to it. Here is empty box. Yes, it's empty box. It don't have nothing. Here is a USB-C cable. Yes, it's USB-C cable. This is the model of it. And now let's take a look on the headset. It's AKG headset. It is in a high quality audio, I think, and 4 earpiece. This is the model of it. And that's it about the unboxing. In my opinion, phone looks great and it looks brilliant. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!